Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss on the topic computer memory and storage devices. As the word implies, memory means the place where we store the things. Memory is very important for computer system. Because in computer system we have to store some data or information, and for storing these items we need some memory or space. Computer memory refers to the electronic holding place for instructions and data where the processor can reach quickly. Memory representation. You have used computer which handle text, numbers and graphics, and also to store sound and video data. In computing, data is the form of numbers, text, graphics, sound and video that computers process. In order to process it, data must be in a form that computers can understand. Digital computers work on only two states, switch on and switch off. All the data in a computer is stored and processed using these switches. Either switch can only be on or off. Computers are known as two-state machines. The numbers 1 and 0 are used to represent the on and off positions of the switches. Each of these values, that is either 0 or 1, is called as ones and zeros. These are called binary digit or bit for short. Now let us discuss about various units used to measure computer memory. First, bit. It is the smallest unit of data in a computer, and a single bit can hold only one of the two values, either 0 or 1. Bit is represented by a lowercase b. Second one, byte. A group of 8 bits is known as a byte. One byte can store 2 to the power 8, that is 256 different combinations of bits. Hence, a byte is able to contain any binary number between 8 zeros and 8 ones. It is represented by an uppercase B. Third one, kilobyte. Kilo usually means 1000 of something. But in a binary system, kilo refers to 1024. Therefore, a kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, that is 2 to the power 10, and represented as KB. Fourth, megabyte. Exactly 1024 kilobytes or 10,48,576, that is 2 to the power 20 bytes. It is represented as MB. Fifth, gigabyte. It consists of 1024 megabytes, that is 1,007 crores 37 lakh 41,824 bytes, that is 2 to the power 30. It is represented as GB. Last one, terabyte. It refers to 1024 gigabytes, that is 2 to the power 40. This represented as TB. Terabyte memory is usually associated with supercomputers only. Next, let us discuss about memory hierarchy. Computer memory hierarchy is a pyramid structure that is commonly used to illustrate the difference among the memory types. The memory in a computer system is of three fundamental types. First, internal processor memory. Second, primary memory. Third, secondary memory. Internal processor memory. This memory is placed within the CPU. Internal memory usually includes cache memory and special registers. Cache memory is a fast memory, and when the CPU needs an instructions or data for processing, it first looks in the cache. The most recently accessed information or instructions are stored in cache memory. After CPU gets the data or instructions from the cache are moved to the registered for processing. Internal processor memory is used for temporary storage of data and instructions on which the CPU is currently working. Processor memory is the fastest among all the memories but is the most expensive also.